Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys don't know, I made a video a little while ago on how you can use those airline credits and transfer them over to get gift cards. Now I'm going to be telling you how you can transfer those gift cards for straight cash. I know some people would be interested in this because I haven't used my gift cards at all and I don't know if I will. But if you're in the same situation or even if you're not, this video is going to help you out. Make sure you stay tuned. Let's get going. Intro. Whoosh. It's so funny, like one thing I realized on my YouTube channel is that once we hit like that 1,000 or 2,000 views and we start hitting like another demographic of people and we start reaching other people, people just start mad hated, start thumbs downing it. Okay, look, I feel like if you're gonna troll, let me teach you how to troll properly because you don't even know how to troll the correct way. YouTube actually helps my video if you guys thumbs it down because engagements are still the same to the algorithm. If you thumbs down my video, I still get views because what happens is you watch my entire video and for whatever reason you're like, just this Asian boy is getting views. Whatever reason it is, YouTube actually helps me when you dislike my video. You watch the whole thing, you dislike it, you're causing engagement. Engagement is engagement. You guys actually want to hurt YouTube channels. If you want to be an internet troll or whatever the f you are, then what you do is not watch the video because watch retention and audience retention time is what helps a video get pushed out. All I'm saying is, look, if you're a troll, you got to troll the right way. Alright, I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Alright guys, let's actually get into this video. And I'm gonna stop doing this arm thing that I do in all my videos. I didn't do that in my videos in the past. I don't know why I started doing that now. So let me just stop. Alright, I'll stop this arm thing. I don't know what it is. Alright, so in this video, I know that a lot of my subs were actually able to make quite a bit of money and were able to use those airline credits and was able to rack up some cash, baby. I don't know why I said baby. Actually, wait. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, etiquette guide for gift cards. Oh, gift card app. Shouldn't have added that part. I shouldn't have added that part. I don't normally say baby. That makes me cringe. Sorry about that, you guys. I have 2,000 subs. Can't be saying some cringy ass. I feel like also I've cussed too much so far in this video. Maybe I'll censor all that. Yeah, let's get back into editing. But in this video, I wanted to talk about how and what you can do with those gift cards because if you don't travel, you're just sitting with gift cards and it's kind of hard to do something with gift cards that you're not going to use. You know, it's kind of a waste of money. Now, although in that video, I did recommend Delta because I prefer them as an airline over the other two, which was Southwest and American Airlines. What I would do is actually recommend you guys to choose American Airlines this time, and it's because of another hack I'm about to show you. Man, I'm giving out so much free knowledge and so much good content on this channel. You're welcome, you guys. You're welcome. The Jungie Nation, we all eat, alright? I'm making fucking $5 a video out here. We all eating out here, though. Alright, guys, so if you guys actually redeem your airline credit using American Airlines, you can get straight cash back with this with an awesome method and a little hack I want to share with you guys. So, let's talk about how valuable airline fee credit is and how valuable it can be for someone like me or someone like you who doesn't travel that much but you're holding these travel cards. Say you have the gold card, say you have the platinum and the Aspire card, okay? Unless you're a big baller and you're traveling all the damn time, it's hard to use those airline fee credits, and even if you do travel a lot of the time, it's not that easy to use these credits. That's why this gift card hack really comes in handy. Now say you have the gold card which gives you a $100 airline credit, you have the platinum card that gives you a $200 credit, and then you have another card, say for example the Hilton Aspire card, which I freaking love that card. I'm gonna do a video on that, but that gives you an additional $250 as well. This means that you get $550 in airline fee credit, and if you don't use that $550, it's gonna hurt a lot. I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually get straight cash back, but if you got all three of those cards, say for example in your first year of credit card churning or credit card signing up, wherever the f you want to call this sport, you have $550 and you don't use that, it's gonna hurt even more because this is all done by calendar year, so it wouldn't actually be $550, it would be 1,000, let me do my math here. 1,100, 550. Yeah, it'd be $1,100 that you're just throwing away if you don't use these credits. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually get $1,100 in cash. Let's say $1,000. It might come out to $1,000 after everything, but $1,000 straight cash, man, I ain't got a problem with that. And I want you guys to learn this, and I want you guys to understand this technique as well. Now, before I get into the technique, I want you guys to know this is kind of a gray area. I'm not sure how much longer they're gonna let this gift card hack thing go through. Honestly, in my opinion, I feel like they're gonna clean it up because I don't really promote manufacturer spending on this channel. If you guys don't know what that is, it's like buying gift cards and then repaying yourself and then just racking up the points and doing that shit. I ain't no Stephen Liao. I don't really promote that on my channel. I don't want to promote things that are gonna get people in trouble or even banned, but this is kind of in the gray area, so I'm not promoting this technique, but I want you guys to be informed about it. Also, I don't charge fucking $100,000 for whatever Stephen Liao. After you did the gift card hack, you have the gift card and you've done your thing, log into a website called cardpool.com, and no, this company did not reach out to me. I kind of wish they did. That would be cool, but no companies have reached out to me yet. I think our channel's a little too small for that, but it's an incredible website. They offer 1-year protection. They have been featured on Time, CNN, and the Today Show, so they're very reputable. You can actually earn cash back, or you can get an Amazon gift card. One of those options actually gives you a little bit more money back, and there's also another way you can go about it. So if you list your gift card, you can actually sell it off instantly. They're gonna take a little bit more out of it, so it's like $82 they're gonna give you for a $100 gift card. Or if you don't want to miss out on that $18, what you can do is actually just auction it, kind of like eBay, and have it on their website. With gift cards, you can also sell it on eBay, and they do get sold on eBay on a regular basis, but eBay is a little shady sometimes, because if you give someone the code to a gift card and say they create a false PayPal claim saying that they didn't get it but they actually do have the code, it can just get a little shady. When you're using a third-party website like this, they take care of all the protection for you. You don't have to sweat it. You can get money instantly. You don't have to worry about selling it. You don't have to worry about selling a gift card virtually over eBay, which I know is a little confusing for some people. This is just the easy way of doing it. So guys, if you have not heard of cardpool.com, be sure to check them out. I have a link in the description below. But I want you guys to let me know, how has your experience been with this website or even with eBay? Have you guys sold gift cards on eBay in the past? Have you ever had a problem with them? Or has it always been good? You guys let me know. And also one more tip, guys, if you're using the airline credit, please do not use it on mobile, okay? If you're about to buy gift cards with the airline fee credit, this is related to my last video, but there's some people that didn't hear this. Buy them on your desktop. You see this computer back here? Buy them on desktop. Don't buy them on mobile. That's how you get this airline gift thing to trigger. In my opinion, I don't really know how long they're gonna allow this to go on for, so if you guys are watching this video right now, be sure to redeem those airline credits for gift cards right now, because it might not be around here forever. It's kind of a little jungy thing, all right, guys? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
There is no end in sight for us, nothing could measure the kind of strength inside our hearts. It's all connected, we're all together.